Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat streak not updating. If your streak froze, here's what to do. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure both of you and your friends send a snap, not chat within 24 hours. Then close and reopen your snap. Check if the hourglass emoji is showing. Go to Snapchat support. First of all, open your Safari and then search for Snapchat support, and then click on I lost my Snapstreak, and then submit the form by filling it out. Then safety tip: only submit honest streak claims, and Snapchat checks your logs. Quick fix: remove your friend and re-add them if it's a display glitch. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.